Good morning guys, it's Random Lakad. We just agreed na lumabas kami kasi nagkataon na we're all off. So, just a pre-Mother's Day treat. The mothers of this house. Mama Bernie, Mami Kay. Napilitang maging mother, Krisa. No, nanay siya ng mga kiddos kasi siyang nag-aalaga sa lahat. And this is the most bangad guy. Yeah. We've arrived. We're going to Chubby Cattle. Chubby Cattle, here we go. We're at Chubby Cattle. And we are getting in Chubby Cattle. So this is just a random one. Nagkaayaan lang yesterday, realizing that, we're all off, which very rare. Here's our table. All right. So, I'm glad that we are back here in Chubby Cattle, but Pleasanton branch. This is our first time here. We like the branch in LA. Hi guys. Yeah, so this is a random family day out. Here's my little to cook for me because it's a Mother's Day, pre-Mother's Day celebration. So this is their menu. That's their tiers. Membership. They have special needs, dishes. Yan. This is their menu, guys. And I love Japanese barbecue or Korean barbecue or yakiniku. I am so much into those type of food. There, all the same, like that. So this comes with additional stuff on top of their menu. Have their assorted fruits in here. See? Nice. And it comes with milk tea, slushies, and fountain drink. That's part of your rate. Nagkakagulo na kami guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-umisa mag-vlog. Nagkanya-kanya na sila. Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Ba't gagawa mo dito? Hi! So, we're cooking now. We're cooking. This is your second time here, Krisa. But pero ibang branch. Yes. So, I'm gonna get rock salt, of course. That's the secret for that. If you want a little bit of some chili powder, like that. Okay. So, magulo. Hi! Hi! My lovely family. Nice. Ooh. That's yummy. Wow. That's fire. There you go. Yeah. So, gonna try my very first bite. Salt. I miss. So yummy. Guys, kain naman tayo ng kain ng kung ano-ano. So let's try this one. You don't have to grill it. They serve it already like this. There you go. Mm. Mm. That was so good. Wow. It's funny kasi para kami nagpapanik. Nagpapanik ko. Kanya-kanya na po tayo. Ayan na po yung hindi... Ito naman. Wagyu. Mumangat-ngat ng vegetable tsaka fruits. Hi, Daddy! Oh, ito, pinagsisilbihan ako ng mag-ama ko. See? So, another bite. I think this one... Ano to? Prime rib. Oh no! Yung pants ko nagkaroon ng oil. Mahirap tanggalin to. Pero okay lang. Yeah. So, kain tayo ulit. Yeah. Short. I think it's prime rib. Mm. Mm. So, there you go. Kakanood po ng mga Korean series. And here's a lobster roll. Lobster roll po tayo. Let's try this one out. So I'm gonna take a bite of this lobster roll. Mm. Mm.
Oh, this is one thing?
So got scallops and squid. I got the beef tongue. I love that. Beef tongue, corn cheese. There you go. And I am about to try the scallop. Let's see. Scallop. Scallop. Ang liit. And this time, one of my favorite meat is beef tongue. In any Korean and Japanese barbecue. Here. Some chili powder and salt. Actually, this is the lamb. So I got the lamb. Now I'm about to try
Which one?
this one. I think this one is a beef tongue.
What is it?
Thin slice.
Beef tongue. Lengua.
Yung cube is tongue.
Magat. Here is our more meat. Musta naman kayo? Unagi.
Unagi. Ooh, unagi. Unagi
I want to.
igat. Sobrang igat.
Forever corn and cheese. Tom yum soup. My experience lang. So now about to try the tom yum soup. Wow. Pangtanggal lang lahat ng ano ng meat. It's pretty spicy though, pero yummy. Sarap. Ma-pepper. Okay. Ay, mataas yung ginger. Gumuhit agad sa ilong ko. Saka ko magugustuhan ito.
Mommy!
Yellowy.
No. It is
It's what? Where's your ice cream?
black.
Gumuhit. Now, ito yung pinagmamalaki ni Mami Kay na egg tart. So let's try. Yung egg tart na na-try ko na the best, dun sa may Umi Buffet. Check out the link of the Umi Buffet na pumunta ako sa City of Industry. Now, trying this one. Let's see. Flaky. Creamy. Buttery. Sarap. Thumbs up. So, hubby's trying now the tom yum soup. Guhit agad yung ginger. Gumuhit agad yung ginger, no? Ang tapang ng ginger niya. Yeah. Mga nagpapanik kaninang magluto, kanya-kanya, ayan na. Oh, nag-slow down na. As usual, hanggang ngayon po, dahon pa rin ang kinakain niya. Aha. Una ako. Suko na ako. Bukas lahat ng pores mo dito, Kay. Kasi pinagpalit ko yan, oh. Pinagpalit ko yung facial ko. Yan.
Palit ko yung mga admission ko.
Ay. Kain lang.
Patay yung mga admission.
Carpaccio, yellowtail carpaccio. We're gonna try that. I'm trying this yellowtail carpaccio. Gonna try. So this is a yellowtail carpaccio. Let's try. Good. The octopus. Seared salmon. And that's it for this chubby cattle random eating out with the whole family. This is once again our pre-Mother's Day celebration. Bye! Oh, pay the bill. Nay, pakita natin yung bill natin. Bill, for, hold a second, so, for 5 guests, thankfully, hindi na-charge si Zane. Yan yung order namin. Ang pinaka-bottom, ayan po ang bill. Sweet. The aftermath. The aftermath. Mag-aadobong sitaw na lang kami mamayang gabi. Whew. And we're just done eating. Busog. Sulit. Pero wala pa rin tatalo. Iba talaga pag Wagyu. Yeah. I think it's sulit naman.